Crypto Bros, I want to give you a quick update. I'll show you basically what I do next on the crypto market. There's a lot of volatility right now on the market connected to January, connected to New Year's. So I want to give you an update. Even though I'm not in my office, it's a quick update with what I do is important. I think it's important because there is a lot of danger now on the market and a lot of people don't know what they do, and they basically get liquidated because of the crazy volatility. Before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, do your. Now let's go to the chart and I'm gonna show you what I do. I also have one coin that I want to show you, but this we're gonna see in a bit. Okay, so the first thing, BTC is right now at 44,000 USD, and what's been happening here basically is if you've been following the channel, I showed you, okay, this blue line is beginning of January, and what happened in January, we basically started pumping like crazy, and we went up around what is it, starting from January we went up 8% to 45,800, and then we went all the way up all the way down to 40,700. So a lot of people got liquidated in this moment because you thought that we already broke this level, and then we went all the way down to our support. If you bought here, congrats. What I do next is important that you know what's coming very soon. Very soon, ETF approval or disapproval is coming, probably within a week or two. So, in my opinion, for this specific reason, I would be staying a little bit out of the market and just observing until we get some formations here. So right now, you could say, okay, we are touching the resistance here, it's an entry for short, but the truth is that you don't know, because the ETF can ruin or can basically pump the chart like crazy. So what I'm doing is basically I'm staying out of position right now for until we get any info regarding the ETF. And remember, if you stay without a position, it's also a position, okay? Because like I say, you never know what's coming in the market right now. Then it will be time to open positions, but right now I'll be just patiently waiting. I've showed you these entries. I've showed you we basically were perfectly trading within this range. Okay, if you've been following the channel, I told you about this, about these levels. You could make here like 1, 2, 3, 4, around 5 entries, and it would be just perfect. And I also told you about this January pump, and this exactly happened. Coming to fear and greed, we are still at 70 at the greed. Crypto bubbles, within a week we have a lot of losses, a lot of red color, only a few green big bubbles within the day. Most of the bubbles are red as well. And coming back to the coin that I wanted to show you, it's BRN Metaverse, and the reason why I'm telling you about the coin is basically that it fits perfectly the crypto, first of all AI, second of all Metaverse and gaming and narratives. Okay, and look what's been happening lately with the token. It went from like within a month it went from 16 cents to 50 cents. And the important thing, okay, first let's go to their website, BRN Metaverse. You can check this out. I'm gonna leave you all the links in the description. Their supply is right now, total supply 29 million. The max supply is 228 million, and they're gonna reduce this max supply to 30 million. On Twitter, 79,000 followers. The token is at 10 million market cap only right now. They are planning to do their wearable glasses for their metaverse, and this is something I haven't seen with many crypto projects, because it's not that easy to create a wearable, actually technological wearables. They've been also collaborated with Reef. There's a lot of Reef people here on the channel. They've been listed on different exchanges. If you scroll down here on the link tree, you can see the Mexi, Bitmart, Gate.io, PancakeSwap, etc. And there is a problem with GameFi projects. Basically, the problem is that they pay in their tokens, and then if you win these tokens, you dump it on the market, and here you get paid in USDT, so you don't destroy their token. The initial goal is to have the game on iOS and Android. They've launched something called here on the website ICO Draconnet, and you basically burn their tokens to get those memes. Also, BRN was one of the first to launch their pre-sale on the website back 2 years ago, because the token has been launched 2 years ago. Coming back to BTC, once again, I'm gonna keep you updated with everything that's going on. If I open any trades, I'm gonna show you that here on the channel. And once again, I still expect BTC to be green basically here in this month, in January, but still we need to wait for the information regarding ETF. And until that, I'm not opening, most likely I'm not opening any trades. So thank you so much for watching, and keep you updated, and see you in the next one.